Meaning of incorrectness.
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 Incorrectness. Incorrectness refers to the quality or state of being incorrect, inaccurate, or wrong. It implies a deviation from a standard or expectation, and can refer to errors in reasoning, calculation, or judgment. The consequences of incorrectness can be significant, leading to misunderstandings, mistakes, or even failures. To avoid incorrectness, it is important to have clear standards, accurate information, and sound reasoning skills. Checking and verifying information is also essential to reduce the risk of incorrectness. Overall, incorrectness undermines confidence and trust, and can have serious practical or ethical implications.